Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mifta Nurabinaya and I'm here to present about my research. This presentation is about the influence of employee empowerment on employee performance. So, background of this paper is employees are the main assets of the organization and have an important role in the organization, namely as thinkers, planners, doers, and controllers of organizational activities. Because employees are the source of labor that is needed in carrying out a role in an organization in producing goods and services that have a good quality, so the organization is required to empower and lead its people as much as possible in order to create job satisfaction, which can have an impact on improving the performance of the people in it so that the organization can become strong and competent. Employee empowerment is expected to improve morale and quality, which ultimately affects the performance of the employees themselves. The existence of employees in the company occupies an important position because it functions to maintain the continued growth of the company. According to Sedar Mayanti 2007, human resource empowerment is a process of business activities to further empower human resources to changes in human development itself in the form of ability, trust, authority, and responsibility, and the framework for implementing organizational activities to improve performance as expected. Employee empowerment becomes something important because in facing the era of competition and services, every organization needs employees who are responsive and independent so that the organization has a competitive advantage to its human resource. Empowerment by the company is used as a means to strengthen the capabilities and commitment of employees. So the problem formulation in this paper is how employee empowerment affects employee performance, and the purpose is to find out and get information about the effect of employee empowerment on employee performance. And what is empowerment? Empowerment is the reinforcement of employee self-confidence, the distancing of decision-making process from the center, and thus giving employees more autonomy, responsibility, and discretion, according to Saho et al. 2010-41. The sharing of knowledge and sources, the redistribution of the power of decision making so as to cover those who lack this power, the action of giving employees by means of cooperation, sharing, training, and teamwork the right to make decisions. And what is employee performance? Employee performance is defined as how well a person executes their job duties and responsibilities. Many companies assess their employees' performance on an annual or quarterly basis to define certain areas that need improvement and to encourage further success in areas that are meeting or exceeding expectations. This research is a descriptive qualitative research that uses several reference sources with the aim of seeing the effect of employee empowerment on employee performance and revealing the influence of each variable. Based on the impact of employee empowerment on Innovation Journal, written by Hasan Hussein Uzunbacak from Sociala Rastirmalar. In this research, organizations should take steps to empower their employees. In addition to empowerment efforts, organizations should also strive to improve the behavioral, social, and structural psychological factors that cause employees to feel weak. By, by empowering employees, intellectual capital can be incorporated into the innovation process. Employees who take part in the innovation process will be more productive and efficient. An organization that have such employees will be more efficient, profitable, and can maintain their competitive advantage. To benefit from these advantages and to achieve successful innovation, research and development investment must be supported, and there needs to be sufficient resources to invest in projects. By doing that, employee performance will improve. And based on the influence empowerment toward performance on employees of Wiladatika Cibubur, Jakarta, who written by Bambang Eko Haryanto from repository UNJ. In this research, to improve performing employees, one of efforts that must be made by the company is to empower employees according to the abilities and potential of the employee themselves. To get optimal performance from employees, there are several elements that must be done well by employees such as discipline, ethics, cooperation, ability or skill, and work results. These factors can affect the performance of the employee themselves. In order for the employee empowerment process to run smoothly, each leader must be able to understand the character of each employee so that the responsibilities carried out by employees can be carried out properly in accordance with the role of each employee. It has been concluded that individual characteristics are critical in perceptions relating to empowerment and employee performance. Extensive studies should be conducted to determine how empowerment efforts by managers are perceived by employees, and by determining the sources of negative opinions resulting from individual characteristics, action should be taken to eliminate this negativity. The main goals of managers are to create a pro-innovation organizational environment and encourage innovation, create the right vision, and decide on strategies that will make it possible to benefit from the organization's values as much as possible, and plan tasks in a way that will empower employees and support employee performance. The result of this study can conclude that employee empowerment is influenced by several factors, including positive workplace encounters, organizational success, service quality, employee performance, and competitive advantage. Employee empowerment leads to higher job satisfaction, since the results show that employee job satisfaction is associated with empowerment. Is it recommended that maintaining an environment that enhances the perceptions of empowerment will have a positive impact on employees and ultimately improve effectiveness of the organization? That's all for my presentation. I hope you can find something useful from my research, and thank you for your attention.